When I first designed this, I didn't really know exactly what angle I wanted the lip to be. And so I made it a little bit more steep than I normally do. And the action's good, but I feel like it could be better. So I'm wanting to try out this 45-degree lip. And if it works better, I might have to redesign my master. That already seems to work a lot better. Only bad thing about using resin, you just can't get the same level of buoyancy as you can with wood. Trying to shelter out of the rain a little bit under this tree. Probably not the best idea. Well, the shad are definitely active. Wonder if I could catch a shad. That big bait ball right there. Probably should have went just a little past them. Obviously, it doesn't seem like the bass are feeding. You know, I also wonder though, like if a lake is very healthy with shad, then what reason do they have to bite a lure? Like even if it looks like a shad, you know, they have like thousands of other options. Yeah, I do think the action is a little bit better. What am I even... It's very rare for me to catch fish. Honestly, I don't think that I suck at fishing. I mean, that could be it, but also it could be the fact that I pick really crappy days to go try to catch fish. Catch me a freaking shad so I can say I caught something. Custom lure action. Oh, wait. Caught one. That nice green. I should have put more green in mine. Maybe that's what it was. I didn't put enough iridescent green across the top. Let's see if I can get you off here. So slimy. Ooh. Hey, you know, it'll be alright. Alright, I'm getting out of here. This is ridiculous.